Here's how to set up and use the KOAii snow cone machine, from start to finish. To set it up, place the machine on a flat surface and open the lid. Step 1. Place the blade cylinder into the machine and line it up with the grooves in the back. Step 2. Place the ice cylinder inside. Step 3. Add your ice. You can use 1 cup of regular ice cubes or fill one of the 5 included ice molds with water. Be sure to fill up to the max line before freezing for the best results. Quick tip: let the ice sit for 4 to 5 minutes before shaving for fluffier ice. Step 4. Add the ice lock press. Use both thumbs to press down evenly on the center until both sides are locked in place. That balanced press is the easiest way to lock it in. Step 5. Close the lid, place your cup or bowl underneath, and press the power button. You can adjust the texture by turning the knob up or down. Also, keep in mind the built-in safety feature. If you open the lid while it's running, the machine automatically pauses. Close it again, and it picks right back up. When you're done, pinch the 2 release tabs on top to remove the ice lock press. And that's it. Set it up, lock it in, shave, and enjoy. That's KOAii. Everyday joy, thoughtfully made.